Welcome to 10722 East Keats Avenue in the Villages of Eastridge, a beautifully updated single-level home on a quiet interior lot, just steps from the community park. Inside, you'll find a bright, open layout with soaring 10-foot ceilings and upgraded tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, no carpet anywhere. The kitchen offers a large quartz island, white cabinetry with modern hardware, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and a breakfast bar, perfect for gatherings and everyday living. The spacious owner's suite features a bay window, private patio exit, and a stunning remodeled bath with a walk-in shower, soaking tub, and quartz counters. The guest bath has been updated too. Step outside to your private backyard retreat with an extended covered patio, ceiling fans, and a resurfaced pebble-tec pool ready for relaxing weekends. Additional features include a soft water system, shutters, a 3-car garage with cabinets, an RV gate, and fresh exterior paint. All in an ideal East Mesa location close to shopping, dining, and recreation. This home truly has it all.